So the way that we see it, first of all, it's a new partnership for us. And the new partnership is really going to bring new opportunities for us, and also opening up some new avenues into especially the energy and the oil and gas market. So from that perspective, we see that Reatile is really going to help us to put new combinations of leadership in place, and also start focusing on new lines of business within those markets. So that's one of the things that I think that can help us. The other one is also the diversity. We now don't have any excuses anymore to operate in the local market. So from a local perspective, and from a BEE perspective, and from a transformation perspective, I think we're absolutely wonderful positioned to be able to do business in our country. And then from an international perspective, so Reatile is also active in the European market, especially in the energy and oil and gas market. And from that perspective, that's also going to give us more opportunities to go into organizations like Vopak and people that's in gas and oil storage.
From a Reatile point of view, why we invested in Pragma is, firstly, we like the business and the space that Pragma is in. It's a business that has excellent capabilities, especially technology, and is very client-centric, where they offer asset management on behalf of clients to manage them on a cost-effective and performance-driven basis. We believe that with our competencies already, we offering a lot of value to Pragma, where some of our own companies can benefit from the Pragma technology. I believe that as of today, we are already working with Vopak, but there's a lot of opportunity to work with Ruby's, some of our international partners on the LPG side of the business, Easy Gas here in South Africa, but equally gas as well. Moreover, I think if you look at the diversity that is in our economy in South Africa today, is that the future leaders in South African economic landscape are quite diverse. This allows Pragma to also reach clients that they could otherwise not easily reach if itself it's not diverse. And so we bring that level of competency to Pragma to be able to do that. Our focus also in Reatile is to grow into Africa. And we know that there's a lot of shortage of skills in Africa, especially when it comes to us who will put in physical assets on the ground in terms of maintaining that and all that. So Pragma actually gives Reatile competencies to be able to manage our assets as we grow. So we see a lot of symbiotic relationship where we benefit as Reatile from Pragma use and technology as our partners going forward into the rest of the continent, but also introduce Pragma to our international partners currently, where Pragma itself can grow its international footprint.